Happy Women's Day to you all. Hi, I'm Apeksha and I'm excited to connect with all readers here today. So, I'm a marketing expert and a book blogger and reviewer, and Lopa asked me recently to make a video on today's special occasion. So, I want to take this opportunity to really talk about women's stories. Growing up, women have been a huge influence in my life and have had a tremendous impact on me as well, as I'm sure is true with you all as well. So, I am a mystery and crime fiction lover since my childhood, and I've been reading a lot of mystery books. And I've been fangirling on popular literary characters like Sherlock Holmes and Robert Langdon. But when over the years I saw that, these kind of books and this genre had a huge gaping hole, and that was that there were no women detectives or policemen or masterminds who were solving these crimes or even committing them for that matter. So that's when I thought, I should take it upon myself to scout out such books which have women protagonists in the center of crime and suspense novels. So today on Eclectic Book Reviews, I want to recommend some great books that have women protagonists at the helm of these novels and books that you should definitely read. So the first book that I want to recommend is called Girl Waits with Gun by Amy Stewart. So this is a book I highly recommend for all crime fiction lovers because it's based on a real person called Constance Kopp, who was America's first female sheriff in the US Law Enforcement Department. So Girl Waits with Gun is very engaging, and it's about Constance Kopp and her sisters who are really brilliant in solving crimes. They are they are people who are passionate about investigation and bringing about justice. So they live a very quiet life and they have a run-in with a local crook or a criminal. And so Constance Kopp really, decides to help the local sheriff to solve this crime and to bring about justice and to help save her family. So it's really a chronicle to how far women would go to, save their loved ones as well and not be bested by bullies. So the next book that I want to mention here is The Widows of Malabar Hill by Sujata Masse. This is a book I really loved and I sort of recommend it to everyone because it's a beautiful amalgamation of different genres like suspense, crime, historical fiction and women's fiction as well. So the central character here is Parveen Mistry, who is a female solicitor, and she is Bombay's first female solicitor or lawyer, which has a plot which is set in 1920s British ruled India. So here she is sort of helping out a local family of widows living in Malabar Hill, and essentially there is a lot going on in the plot. It's very engaging. The author Sujata Masse has loosely based this character on Cornelia Sorabji, who is India's first female lawyer and who studied law at Oxford. So a great engaging read. There's really Parveen's grit and curious attitude to get to the bottom of a mystery is something that is the essence of every mystery novel. So I really loved reading this one, and it has a great sequel called The Satapal Moonstone as well. So the next one that I want to mention here is called The Last Place You Look by Kristen Lepionka. Here the central character is Roxanne Very, who is a private investigator, and her father was one as well. When after he he dies on line of duty, so she has a lot of sense of loss there, and so she's dealing with her own insecurities and struggles, but she gets drawn into this crime, or rather this story of a teenage girl who disappears in the town, and she thinks it has links back to another victim of her own father's unsolved crime cases. So Roxanne here is essentially a character which is flawed but which is so beautifully written. I love sort of murders and mystery books that focus on the investigator's life as well and their own journeys, as well as the plot of the story. So that is something I really love, and that's really done beautifully in this book as well. The next two books that I want to talk about are written by legendary authors who have helped shape this genre a lot. So the book is The Murder at the Vicarage by Agatha Christie. This is the first book of the Miss Marple series, and it's really sort of brought about a lot of interest within crime fiction lovers. So in this series we see Miss Jane Marple, who is a nosy lady living in a small town, and being a busy nosy lady within the town, she is very street smart, and so that quality really helps her to team up with the vicar and help him solve a murder case within her town. And so it is essentially one of those series and books that have had tremendous response and helped shape a lot of mysteries and plots of many suspense thriller books. So I highly recommend this series of books to read. And the next one is called Maisie Dobbs, again a very legendary character and series written by Jacqueline Winspear. So here Maisie Dobbs is a private investigator who sets up her own practice, and so she's kind of struggling to get cases, and I was really sort of inspired and impressed by the sensitivity and wisdom which Maisie's character applies to really solve her first case of crime. And essentially this is a book which has again at its helm a really powerful woman who wants to leave her own mark, wants to bring justice, and also just astonish everyone around her. And so this is a book which has again turned into a very amazing series that you should read and sort of recommend to everyone who loves crime fiction. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked all the recommendations, and I hope you read these books and also explore other books in your favorite genres that have women protagonists at their helm. So thanks for listening. Bye.